The B sound is one of the initial consonant sounds in English. Learning how to correctly pronounce this sound is essential for ESL students to improve their overall pronunciation and fluency. In this tutorial, we will focus on practicing the B sound using words like bat and book. The B sound is made by bringing both lips together and then releasing a burst of air. When pronouncing the B sound, your vocal cords should vibrate. It is a voice sound, meaning that your vocal cords are engaged while producing the sound. To practice the B sound, let's start with the word bat. When saying bat, make sure to bring your lips together tightly and release a quick burst of air as you say the B sound. Your vocal cords should vibrate, producing a clear B sound at the beginning of the word. Repeat the word bat several times, focusing on articulating the B sound accurately each time. Another word to practice the B sound is book. Similar to bat, when saying book, bring your lips together to pronounce the B sound. Remember to release a burst of air and let your vocal cords vibrate while saying the B sound in book. Practice saying book multiple times, paying attention to how you articulate the B sound at the beginning of the word. In addition to individual words, you can practice the B sound in sentences. For example, try saying, "I bought a beautiful book at the bookstore." Focus on pronouncing the B sound in words like bought and book within the sentence. Repeat the sentence several times, emphasizing the B sound each time you say it. Additional vocabulary: bought beautiful book, balloons, butter, bitter, bounce, breeze, bubbles, brother, baby, big. Remember, practicing regularly and paying attention to your pronunciation will help you improve your ability to say the B sound correctly. Use words like bat and book as a starting point for practicing this important consonant sound.